Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Honda Africa Twin 1000. Manual clutch, 6-speed transmission, ABS brakes, fuel injected twin cylinder. This one's got the tall windscreen. It's got the nearly new tires, center stand. It's got the Honda side cases and top case, all mono key lock system, Akrapovic exhaust. This bike is in beautiful showroom condition, only 4,438 miles. Set up just the way you want it. Come on by, make your Africa Twin dreams come true for just $12,499. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.